this is my customer's smartphone, and this smartphone is locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password lock. And if you have also a smartphone which is locked due to forgotten password lock, so watch this video properly till the end and your smartphone will be unlocked today 100%. But before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your smartphone should not battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your smartphone at the time of use this method to unlock your smartphone. Okay, after that, you can see that how can you remove this smartphone within 2 minutes without any software and without any kind of data loss. So let's start this video. First of all, you have to swipe up this screen lock. After that, you can see emergency call here. You have to open this option. After that, open dialer pad and type here a code. This is a *#899 and #. After that, you can see that there are many options here, but you have to find an option which is named number 4 manual test. You have to open this manual test option and go to the last page which belongs to other. Okay. After that, you can see here total 5 options. You have to click mainboard version for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, you have to click on the reading reset complete indicator page, and you can see that this is the pass message. Okay. After that, you have to click on back button here, and you have to click on the number 2 option which is read write important lock test, and you have to click it for 3 times. First time you have to click on cancel button. After that, repeat the same process and click here cancel also again. And after that, in the first time, you have to click on the OK button here, and you can see that your mobile password has gone to the resetting mode. After that, you have to click the number 3rd option which is key status. You have to open this, and you can see that, my friend, after some lagging, your every key has been passed. It means your PIN pattern password lock is resetting. Okay. After that, wait for 5 seconds and click the home button here, and you can see that, my friends, your mobile is completely unlocked and there is no any kind of photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock all Android smartphone at your home. If your mobile is still not unlocked from this method, in that case, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 2 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.